Editing buttons on Squarespace is an easy way to customize your website's call to action elements. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Log into your Squarespace account. Access your Squarespace website by logging in. Select the page. Navigate to the page where the button you want to edit is located. Click on Pages from the main menu. Edit the section. Hover over the section containing the button and click Edit. This will open the content editor. Locate the button. Find the button you wish to edit. It may be labeled as button or a custom name you assigned. Customize button text. Click on the button to edit its text. Change it to something more descriptive or engaging. Change button style. You can modify the button style through the design settings. Go to Design, Button Style and adjust the styles as needed. Link the button. Ensure the button is linked to the correct URL by clicking on the button and entering the desired link. Save changes. Once you've made all your edits, click Save to apply the changes to your page.